Alright, if your iPhone has no sound, here's a couple of things you can try to fix that. First, make sure the physical silent mode isn't enabled. On the side of the phone, there's a silence switch or button. It's on the left side, just above the volume buttons, and on older iPhones, it's a physical switch you flip up and down. On newer iPhones, it's a button called the action button, which can be configured to do a number of things, but the default action is usually still silent mode. So flip that switch or press the button and see if that brings the sound back. Also, press the volume up button and watch the volume indicator. Make sure your volume isn't turned all the way down. You can also swipe down from the top right corner to Control Center, find your volume slider there, and long press the volume slider to make it bigger. Just another way to adjust your volume, you know? Another thing to check, turn off Bluetooth. You can do this through Control Center as well, tapping the Bluetooth toggle, or through Settings, then Bluetooth. Sometimes your phone might actually be playing sound through a connected Bluetooth device, headphones, car audio, whatever, without you realizing it. Disabling Bluetooth can rule that out immediately, so if toggling off Bluetooth fixed your issue, it means the sound was being sent to a Bluetooth device instead of the phone itself. Something else that can cause sound issues, focus mode or do not disturb mode. Swipe down from the top right corner again and look for the focus tile. Tapping the text opens up your focus mode options, so if one of those modes is active and highlighted, just tap to turn it off. Do not disturb, for example, will silence notifications. When you're in your control center, tapping the small half-moon icon here lets you quickly toggle any focus mode on or off. You can also check whether the hardware itself is working fine. Go to Settings, scroll down to Sounds and Haptics, and there's a ringtone slider you can press and drag. It'll play your ringtone while you're actively touching it. If you hear the ringtone while moving that slider, that confirms your hardware and speakers are working fine, and the issue is more likely a specific app setting or a temporary software glitch. Also, if your phone has the action button instead of the traditional silence switch, this Sounds and Haptics menu will have a dedicated silent mode toggle on the very top. So, check that and make sure silent mode is not turned on. If the ringtone volume slider produces no sound, the next step would be a force restart. To do that, quickly press volume up, quickly press volume down, then press and hold the side button until the screen turns off and you see an Apple logo appear. So, quick volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the power button. All in a snappy quick sequence, one button at a time. And like I said, keep holding until you see the Apple logo appear, then release. This clears your system memory and resets audio routing drivers, which can often fix temporary software glitches on your phone. Lastly, if you're still having issues, it's worth removing any heavy phone cases or screen protectors that might be covering the speaker mesh. You can also gently brush the bottom speaker grills and the top earpiece receiver with a clean, dry, soft bristle brush to dislodge any lint or dust that might be blocking the speakers. Avoid using needles, paper clips, or compressed air. Those can actually damage the speakers and microphone, so just be gentle when cleaning. And of course, if the issue is specific to an app like Instagram or Facebook, double-check the app itself and make sure there isn't a mute button inside the app. A lot of apps these days will automatically mute sound, and you have to manually unmute before you'll hear anything. Anyways, usually one of those steps will help you fix sound issues on your iPhone. If this video helped you, go ahead and let me know in the comments. And make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks all.